Good evening, people. I'm stumped here, so I need some help. I want to fit these quick release latches to the bonnet so I can get it off, get it on easy enough. Thought they'd be easy to do. Installed, roughly. Put that on. Comes off, easy enough. That's to support the bonnet going down too far. However, when I fit it, it's okay. Won't release. I have to get in here, push the bonnet, and eventually I can get it loose. So my question to you guys and gals is, what the hell is going wrong here? Any ideas what I'm doing stupidly wrong? I've put springs on here. That didn't work. But actually putting it on there, you can sort of really support it and come off. Can't do it. Clip it on. Won't work. I'm doing something really stupid here, but I can't see it. Help!